Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny Godly. Welcome back to my channel where I do makeup for everybody with an emphasis on dark skin. Today I'm going to be doing a Juvias Place look with you, and I'm going to be doing a lip change so you can see how to take this from younger girl to a little bit more of a mature lady look. So first of all, I want to start off by telling you guys my eyebrows are done. I've been loving the NARS pencil in dark cool brown. I have my Chanel concealer, and then I have a little bit of Tarte concealer as my eyeshadow base. So first of all, I want to start out by letting you know the first palette that I'm using is the Masquerade Mini by Juvias, and that first color I'm using is called Bori, B-O-R-I. And I really love this palette. I love these colors. Majority of the colors I'll be using today are warm, and that's a really good way to keep your look cohesive and just keep it looking fresh on your face, keeping the tones within the same undertone even if they're not the same color. You can of course go across the spectrum and do anything you want, but typically I like to stay within the same undertone family to keep it looking modern. The next color that I'm going in with is called Zobo, and that's also from the Masquerade Mini by Juvias Place palette. I absolutely love these colors. Now that goes from a warm pink to a warm purple, and what that's going to do is really allow your look to look blown out. It's going to take it from a place of a depth to really fine feathered blended edges, which is why you see me blend so much. I'm keeping most of the intensity in the socket of my eye. I do have hooded lids, so I am going to bring it up a little bit higher to make my lid appear to be larger. Next, I'm going in with a color from the Magic Mini palette by Juvias, and the color that I'm going in with is called Yejide, Yejide, I believe. And I'm taking that and creating pretty much my crease, and that's going to be the darkest, one of the darkest colors in that area, and that's just going to help to create depth, and bringing it a little bit higher, especially if you have a hooded crease, is going to help make your lid appear larger, and it's going to, if you bring it up higher, it's going to really widen and brighten your eyes. So I'm not going to cut my crease. You guys know that I really don't like cut creases, but I am going to do an elevated crease. I'm going to continue to blend. I want everything to blend together, but I still want each color to stand out. I still want you to see the pink that flows into the purple, the dark blue, and then the darkest blue that I'll be using is also from the Magic Mini by Juvias Place palette, and that color is called Ife, I-F-E, and that's the color I'm using right now on this pencil brush, and I'm putting that way down in the depth of my crease, and that in itself is going to help, like I said, create the larger crease, kind of in the style of a cut crease, but not exactly. This is just really carving out that outer V and really helping your eyes to appear more open, wider, bigger, larger crease. As you can see, one eye compared to the other, my lid does appear to be larger. So on the lid from the Magic Mini by Juvias Place palette, I'm going in with the color Faso, F-A-S-O, and this is a little bit of a cool toned lavender, and that's just going to help to offset the look. I went in with Bye Bye Lines from It Cosmetics and Hydro Blur Primer from Dermalogica on my face, and today I'm using Angola from Juvias Place. If you remember my original video, I used the color Togo, but I said, you know, when my body skin is out and I'm a little bit darker, I do like my face to match my body a little bit more, and my body is darker. Now, if it were just my face, I would do Togo, and I could do Togo with my body skin out and have my face appear a smidge lighter, but because I am so deep and so dark skinned, so chocolate, and I love it, I said, let me give Angola a try. This is a really beautiful, deep, warm color. Juvias Place did an amazing job with these foundations. I can fit so many of the colors so well. And I'm going to do a second video. So let me know if you guys want to see that. Let me know if you guys still like to learn on YouTube. Turn up Let me get some comments, let me get some likes. Don't just watch this video. So next I'm going in with color number 11 concealer on a gem blender. That is my own invention. And then I'm going in with my Chanel concealer, the same color that's underneath my eyebrow, in color 91 caramel. And with another gem blender, I'm blending that out. That's gemblender.com if you guys are interested. And I like that because it helps you to use less product and it helps not to absorb all your foundation. I'm setting, of course, with my favorite setting powder right now, and that's Warm Saffron from Dermablend. I'll have all the links in the bottom bar, or as many as I can find. Now I'm going in with the Prime Beauty Bronzer in Bronzeville, and because my foundation is a little bit darker, you can see it less, but it is absolutely beautiful. It's giving me a very beautiful light natural bronze, and this is how you apply bronzer, with a fluffy brush, more diffused, less direct, and less obvious than a contour. And then I went in with Chocolate Liddy and deepened it up a little bit. So now I'm going back in with the same colors that I used in my crease in the same order, using that pink first, going in with the purple, and then with the blue to give my under eye area lots of interest and lots of smoke. And what I'm doing a little bit different than I usually do is I'm only taking it a little bit more than a third of the way in, and then in my inner tear duct I'm going to apply a bright color. I've been trying new looks. I've been trying to step out of my box a little bit for you guys. I know you guys like colorful looks, so I'm trying to do that for you. Now I'm using, this is a Makeup Forever pencil on my waterline to keep that blue really popping. Blue looks really great on brown eyes and brown skin, which is why I use it so much. It's definitely one of my favorites. So this is Rum Cake from Najee Cosmetics, followed by Dollhouse from Anastasia. I really liked this really pretty bubblegummy pink, and then I switched it actually to a Deck of Scarlet, more of a cool toned pink. I wanted more of a liquid lipstick look. The gloss was kind of giving me a little bit too much. The highlighter that I'm using is Tawny Glow from Anastasia. That's in my favorites video. I'll have that linked in a card somewhere here, and I'm just applying that everywhere because I think it's absolutely beautiful. Such a beautiful glow. So now I'm going in with Seduction, and this is from Gerard Cosmetics. You may recognize that light up applicator, and I really love this. This brings the look down. It tones it down a little bit. It groans it up a little bit. It gives it a little bit more seduction. That's just a quick way to take your look from a little bit more of a youthful standpoint to a little bit more sex appeal, even day to night, if you will. I hope you like this look. I absolutely loved it. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I was up creating posts all night. If you follow me on Snapchat, you've seen it. You've probably seen this everywhere that I am. I hope you enjoyed this. If you love learning on YouTube still, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment. I'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.